I bought this damaged screw extractor set from Amazon. It was only $4.75. I bought this one because it had a few different sizes. I'll leave a link in the description below. I have this old Dell laptop. To make it faster, I want to install a SSD hard drive. I'm just having issues removing one screw from the back. It's been badly damaged now. I've tried all the other tricks using tape and a rubber band, which do not work. First, I'm going to use the drill bit in reverse to make a hole. It took a few attempts, but I had to apply some pressure to remove the screw.